Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking. And today I'm going to show you how to make this super classic balsamic vinaigrette dressing. And if you love this video, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. Balsamic vinaigrette dressing is one of the most popular dressings to make at home because it has such a perfect balance of tang and sweetness, and it's really simple and super fast to make. First thing we're gonna do is mince 1 clove of garlic. And now we're gonna add this to a mixing bowl. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of olive oil. Oh, it's a brand new one. Oh. What the heck? Oh, use muscle. I just threw the cap into 1/3 cup on the other side of the counter. No, Ann, that's amazing. This is like a carnival game. It was 3 feet from me. Moving on, 1/2 cup of olive oil.
I don't think that's necessary.
That was so necessary. That was really cool.
Toss on a bottle.
I think that was, it would be as hard as, like, you know, the softball into the bucket, it always bounces out. I'm just saying, it was really hard to do. Anyway, 1/2 cup of olive oil. Next thing we're gonna add is 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Next, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. Camera Ann wants me to eyeball it. I like to measure. I know why she wants me to eyeball it though, is because the honey gets stuck in your tablespoon and it's kind of annoying to clean. But let's measure it this time. What you have to do is you just put a little bit more in there because you gotta know that some of it is just gonna stay stuck in your measuring spoon. That's about a tablespoon and a little extra because it's stuck. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And definitely use Dijon for this recipe. Regular mustard just wouldn't have the same tang. And now we're gonna add our salt and pepper. We're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And this is really completely to taste. If you like your salad dressings a little saltier, you could add a little more. If you like it a little less salty, maybe do 1/4 teaspoon to start. This is 1/2 teaspoon. This is how I like it. And 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. All we have to do now is give it a little whisk. And another trick too here is if you have a mason jar, you really could just be taking all these things and popping them into a mason jar. You would close the lid and just give it a really good shake. That would do 2 things. That would mix it, and it would also be in a container that you're gonna store it with in the fridge. And that's really it. This dressing comes together in like 30 seconds. It's so fast and it's so easy and it tastes great, and I cannot wait to give this a taste. But before I do, if you love this recipe and you wanna see others just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. All right, let's give this a quick taste. So good. This balsamic vinaigrette dressing is so good. It's so easy. You guys have probably had it a million times at a restaurant, but most of the time at the restaurants, they might even be using like a pre-made one from the store. Make your own at home. It's so fast and so easy. Guys, I know you're gonna love this one. I hope you give it a try. I'll see you in the next video.